Several YouTube channels can be lucrative, depending on factors like audience engagement, niche, and content quality. As of my last knowledge update in January 2024, some profitable YouTube channel categories include gaming channels that focus on gaming content, such as walkthroughs, reviews, and live streams, can attract a large and dedicated audience. Tech and tutorials channels that provide tutorials, gadget reviews, and tech-related content often have a broad appeal and can attract sponsorships. Product reviews and unboxing and reviewing various products, from technology to lifestyle items, can be popular, especially if the reviews are honest and thorough. Education and how-to channels offering educational content, tutorials, and how-to guides in various fields can attract viewers seeking valuable information. Finance and business channels discussing personal finance, investment strategies, and business advice can draw an audience interested in financial literacy. Health and fitness, with the increasing focus on health and fitness. Channels offering workout routines, healthy recipes, and lifestyle tips can be successful. Travel vlogs, travel enthusiasts can share their experiences through vlogs, attracting viewers interested in different cultures, destinations, and travel tips. Beauty and fashion, makeup tutorials, fashion hauls, and beauty product reviews can be lucrative as they cater to a large and engaged audience. Comedy and entertainment channels that produce funny sketches, parodies, and entertaining content can gain a broad following and potentially attract sponsorships. Lifestyle and personal development channels focusing on personal development, motivation, and lifestyle choices can resonate with viewers seeking self-improvement. Remember that success on YouTube is not only about the niche, but also about creating high-quality, engaging content consistently. Trends may change, so staying adaptable and responsive to your audience's preferences is crucial. Additionally, YouTube's monetization policies and algorithms may have evolved, so it's essential to stay updated on the platform's guidelines and features.